I think you should put that phone away. I'm going to report it, so you have 2 weeks to wait for a letter from the police. Shocking behavior. Shame on you. GU68OZW. This one's looking down too. Can't say yet that he's on the phone, but he's looking in his lap. What you doing there, mate?
Nothing, mate.
Not using your phone then?
No.
That's alright, I'm afraid it's in 4K here and I'll be reporting it to the police. So you got 2 weeks before your boss will get a letter asking them to nominate you. Sorry? No, I'm just an ordinary person. Another one. Come on then. Should you be beeping people to warn them? Isn't that perverting the course of justice?
Are you bored doing that?
Do you want to explain that to your boss, why you were beeping at them? I'm not talking to you, shush.
Yeah, I'm his boss.
Yeah, sure you are.
I'm here. Are you bored? Get a life, man.
Don't use your phone, eh?
Look after your family. I'm not.
I am looking after my family by stopping very irresponsible, stupid people like you. Big rush, bye bye.